Let's start with an example to visualize time series data representing the size of air travel passengers through the years. And we will download this dataset from GitHub using this code. And we can examine this dataset to see how it looks. We can see this dataset has two columns. So in order to make a time series plot for this data frame, we need to do a little bit of data manipulation. Basically, we will need to move the month column to be our index value. We can assign any column as an index using the setIndex function. So we can have a look at the data frame to see how it looks now. And we can clearly see the month column was moved to be the data frame index value. So let's now start to plot this data frame. The function generated this time series plot, or what is also known as the line chart, which is the default behavior of the plot function. So this example shows you how easy it is to apply the plot function once you have your data frame ready and all the data are in the correct shape.